This motherfucker is the most dangerous bird in the world. Introducing the cassowary. Forget the sweet songbirds in your garden. This walking nightmare is like a dinosaur that never got the memo about extinction. Standing up to 6 feet tall and weighing as much as 2 full-grown men, these birds aren't just big, they're lethal.
I don't know about dangerous bird, but that motherfucking bird tastes fucking good, yo. KFC, you better get this fucking bird, cause it's way better than a fucking chicken. I'm telling you, man. It's fucking good. God damn. That's a good bird.